Hi guys, how are you? So today I'll be cover and I'll be start the SQL database. Okay. So today I'll be start SQL database concept and we will prepare on that. Then I'll be describe the database how it's working and how its functionality. Okay. So let's start. I have SQL documents. So let's start. Okay. So yeah. Uh, I have MySQL database. So I have a MySQL database uh, PDF file. This file have everything have implemented in the related of MySQL database. Wait, I'll I'm open. Wait. I'm open. Where is that? Where is that MySQL database? MySQL database. MySQL. Huh? Oh, this. So let's start. Today we are starting to first videos for MySQL database. Okay, then I'll be continue the MySQL database until until it will not completed. So let's start how it's working. Okay, so this is a license. Let's start. First we discussed about the introduction. This is a table of contents preference legal. This is tutorial. Okay, through this we will start ongoing these things. So which chapter inside that document, which chapter have covered. So first day we start to tutorial. First uh, first I'm explaining what is these things. Okay, so first point is a tutorial and second point is a connecting to and disconnecting from the server of their database server. My SQL server is there, so we connect the database and disconnecting the database on the server, uh, entering queries, create and using database like 4 point creating and using a database. Okay, so 4 point ka first of 4.1 point have creating selecting a database, creating a table. Next is loading data into tables, and fourth, retrieving information from the table, like selecting all data, selecting particular row, selecting particular column, and sorting row, data calculations, working with null SQL, pattern matching, if we counting row. These things we will cover today. No, today I'll try to cover only for tutorial. I haven't created that much big video. Okay, so let's start to with the I'll start to initially way. So yeah, I'll so let's start that tutorial part. So yeah, this is tutorial things. Chapter first tutorial. So one side I'll open the my SQL server command. Okay, so inside cmd I'll put it. So after that I'll be start. Okay. uh, uh, so this chapter have defined the basics and starting in initial. So let's start. Okay, so this chapter provides a tutorial introduction to MySQL by showing how to use the MySQL client program to create and use the simple database. MySQL is an interactive program that enable you to connect to MySQL server, run queries, and view the result. MySQL may also be used in batch mode. Batch mode, you place your query in a file beforehand, then the MySQL execute content of the file. Both way of using MySQL are covered here. Okay. So to see a list options, provide the MySQL invoke it with the help of options. Okay. So today I'll be covered these all things. Okay. So how it's working, let's check. Then will start the chapter to connect and disconnect from the server. So these things I have. Okay. So chapter 2, I guess today we covered only for chapter 1. Okay? Step by step we will start. So today I'll cover two only for chapter one. How much chapter two? Let's start. Then today I'll be cover this chapter two. No, today only for I covered chapter two, and then after this we will. I'll go to hacker rank for the SQL queries. There we will practice and will do and we will solve that particular problem on the hacker rank. Okay. So let's start for tutorial first. Uh, to see the option provided by MySQL, invoke it with the help. Okay, when you enter help MySQL dot help, they are showing everything like what you need. So let's start with showing help. Okay, inside help like MySQL dot help. What is telling? What is the my dot help? So we are showing like this help things. So help display the help and exits. These things have showing auto batch command compress. These things I have showing here. What is the name command? Enable name command and name command. So I will start to initial that command. What is the auto research auto vertical output? What is this value after reading optional? Okay. So let's start initial. When you enter MySQL dash help, that time here showing that this much display. So let's start to what is the help. Okay. Dos help. When you we enter display this help and exit synonyms of the. So okay, when we enter these things. Okay, let's start. When here enter what is the this. No, only one dash here have used. We have used double dash, but here need one dash, then are showing same thing. Okay. Then again we want to clear. So CLS, when you want to clear your CMD, that time you put CLS, I guess. Yeah, this is clear your browser. Sorry, browser, not command prompt. After clearing here showing everything. Okay. Then when you enter dash question mark and dash help, that time display this is help and exit, that all document have shown. Okay, this all documents have shown. Minus I dash help is same thing of that help. Okay, auto research, enable automatically researching. One doesn't need to us research to get table and field completion, but startup and reconnected. So I put it these things and maybe take longer time. Disable with the disable also field. I don't know what is this. No auto research vertical batch. Don't use the history file. Disable interactive behavior. Don't need history file. If you use the batch, these things have this thing have shown. If you want to discover more things, okay, then you will cover these all things step by step. Then you will get some knowledge how it's working. Okay. So default option following the command. What is this file program? MySQL servers here following. The following group are read MySQL client. What is this? What is the and boolean options? Okay. So this thing have here showing when you enter a MySQL dash dash help. Okay, this thing have showing. So this chapter assume the MySQL is installed on your machines. So first you install MySQL inside your system. After that it's working fine. Okay. So when you want to install this MySQL, then you put inside the browser installer MySQL here installer MySQL. After entering, you get these things. Okay. Uh, Install for Windows. Wait, now wait. 1 second. Windows, then you download. Okay, Windows 32-bit installer, 62-bit, 62-bit. Installer Windows. Both is fine. You install and set up. Okay. Then I'll be start next things. Next, I'm starting to next. Okay, this chapter assume MySQL is installed in your machines and the SQL and the MySQL server is available to which you can connect. If this is not true, contact your MySQL administrator. What is the MySQL? If you are the administrator, you need to result the relevant portions of this manual, such as the MySQL server administrator, sorry, administration. This chapter describes the entire process of setting up and using a database. If you are registered only in accessing an existing database, you may want to skip the sections that describe how to create the database, and the table will be constant. Because of this chapter tutorial in nature may detail are necessary, omit and consult the relevant section of the manual and more information on the topic convert here. Okay, so after so I'll quit this video. That much I created. So only for we covered helping things. When you put MySQL dash dash help, then here showing some help command. Okay, how to use. When you use these things, this is specific things and specific features. So after putting this command, you will get new idea how it's working. First you read these things. First you like here showing dash e, capital E, you will put capital E, that time it's working fine. Otherwise you will put dash small e, that time here execute the uh, that will execute that execute name, execute command and quite. So first you put capital E या फिर or the dash dash vertical, that time here print the output of a query row vertical. So I'm showing seeing down. Okay, what is next one? These things I'll just see it. Okay, how it's working I show you inside this browser. So I put it this how to connect your SQL database. Okay, so here showing MySQL dot h. Okay, then here put MySQL dot h. Sorry, dot net dash h. Uh, dash h not need here. Dash p root dash u. I guess it's working fine. Not working. What is this dash p? Sorry, no dash u dash p. They are showing password. You put it password. when you install that time your processing time, okay, they are have showing like when you install your MySQL, okay, that time we are showing some option to put password, but after putting that password you will not forget that password, otherwise you can't open that database. So here I put it like so databases. Uh, uh, so database bases. So it's not organized. Sorry. MySQL haven't put a minus root dot wait root p. Now it's one. What is this? Access denied. What is where? Okay, I put the same thing. Okay. Put MySQL dot h. Maybe. Hey, what happened? SQL server have denied. I don't know what reason. का लिखे unknown MySQL server host. 1 second. First, I open the SQL server. Then maybe something it's working. I have the SQL server. SQLite, SQL, MySQL Storage, no? MySQL, MySQL Cell. No, not this. MySQL. Where is that? Maybe this. Yes. This is. When put it root, what happened? Server status. It's on. Uh, First I'll log out. Then I'll check. I now I'm checking. Okay, if it's working. MySQL minus root p. Access deny for OPC at the rate localhost. What is this? Using password as previous is done now. What happened? Just quit that video, okay? Then I'll check what happened is there. I don't know what happened is there, but I checked. Okay, I'm checking. So okay, I quit this video here. Okay, thank you.